Look at the cheese. Oh, look at this. Cheese.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are doing another product review from Costco. Today it's the, what is it? Chicken and bacon mac and cheese. All right, so let's open it up. Oh yeah, look how big the pasta is, the noodles.
Yeah,
how cute.
Hopefully they're not overcooked. Well, that's very close. We've never had this before. It's the first time we've seen it at our Costco.
Yes. I love chicken. I love bacon. We love mac and cheese. It's a hot summer day and I didn't feel like cooking, so it's going into the oven. 350 for half an hour. I'm going to put that in and we'll tell you how it tastes. All right. 40 minutes later at 350, and here it is. Crispy, cheesy.
But is it good?
Let's see.
Now, we usually make this fresh.
Yes, we do. I make it fresh. I have a whole ton of cheese and cream and all of that stuff, but let's see if this is good in a pinch.
But we've also been known to make the box kind as well, which has been reviewed in videos on the channel.
Many different kinds.
Yes,
Cheeto, Kraft Dinner,
spicy, non-spicy, extra creamy, bacony.
So in here, there's supposed to be chicken and bacon, and I'm gonna get a piece.
Dig right in. Let's
Will
see if there's any.
A cheese pull. That's the question.
Is there going to be any cheese pull in this Costco mac and cheese, bacon, chicken?
It's a small one. Oh. I want to get a little bit of the bacon, which I see. I don't know where the chicken is, but
it's in there. Listen, it may not look like chicken.
It smells really good, and you smelled it as it was cooking.
It smells very good in the house.
Big noodles. Let's try it out.
Big noodles, big mouth. There we go. From just looking at that top, I don't think you're going to taste the cream until you get into the middle of it, from what I see here. But maybe I'm wrong.
Good cheese. Good cheese. Noodles are cooked pretty well. Not too mushy. I like that they picked the thick ones because I guess that's why there's more of a bite to it. I taste the bacon in there. Whatever cheeses they used, I still taste it even if I just had the upper layer and not the middle. I'm gonna have to go in for a middle piece.
Get in there deep. Let's see.
Just so that we can
Can you dig in a little bit so
that
you can see?
Dug in. It's only like 2 layers long, but this is a little creamier. I think there's a piece of chicken. I'm gonna bust in here. Just a little bit.
That's chicken.
All right.
Hold on, let me just see right here. And what's the final word on this? Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? Yay!
2 thumbs up. This is really good. In a pinch, it's like up there. The chicken is really good, seasoned really well. It has like a barbecue taste, but not the sweet barbecue. Cheese is on point. Noodles really good. Decadent. And easy on a night where you don't want to cook. Costco has done it again. I say, go out, try it, like, subscribe, and see you on the flip side.